This is going to be a quick install video of the Acerbis Rally Pro handguards. These are the heavy duty ones with the aluminum that goes all the way through. Now if your bars won't accept this, you'll have to drill this out with a 9/16 drill bit. And 9/16 is kind of an oddball size. Most kits, drill bit kits, only go up to 1/2 inch, so you may have to go out and purchase one. So what I've already done is I've connected this end here and this end here. Now this can flip this way or this way depending on where your cables are. For mine it's better in the upside down shape. But we'll just remove these bolts here to get it on. They use a 5mm Allen wrench. And you just slide this in until everything lines up where it needs to be. And then you connect these. Now there's a small dot on one side of these, and there's a dot on this one. So you need to just line up the dots. That way you know you got them going the right way, because they're tapered for the tapered bars. Get this one started. Get this one started. And once you get them in place, tighten these two bolts. There's a bolt in the front and the bolt on the end, and you want these tilted down. I think they say roughly 15%, but a slight tilt down. Usually you want your levers tilted down if you stand. If you sit all the time, you may have them higher up, but you do want these tilted down slightly. And you'll just tighten up all these until they're stiff in place. Kind of go around, tighten them a little bit at a time. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And you would do the same to the other side, and they'll be installed. Thanks for watching.